also seen when you do 59% of the constituencies examined in that document, and this is a person examining before the alterations were done as the results were heading to the portal. 59% of the constituencies examined showed results that cannot be verified with absolute certainty. But again, in the same document, what has been verified so far shows that Raila won the elections with 8,170,355 votes, representing 57.53% of the votes cast by that when that verification is done. Ruto got 5,915,973 votes, representing 41.66% of the vote.